Let's see. Tobago, go Manji. No. Connect 4? No way! Maybe there's something more interesting here. Hello? Even you decided to let me down today? I'm so bored. I'd better lie down. And in that case, I can watch some TV. It's so annoying. I need some fun. Stats! Ooh, I haven't played this video game for ages. Come on, sheep. Jump. Just jump already.
Sammy, look. I've got candy.
What, really? This is the best day of my life.
Okay, what you've been up to here? You know, if I were a video game developer, I would…
Sue, say no more.
What? Why is that?
We can build our own village. It will be like Minecraft, but in reality. I'm full of energy. And candy. Let's get started.
Tempting. Let's see what we can come up with.
Oh, I know I had just the thing for this craft somewhere. There it is. I forgot I left the texture sheets here to dry after the last craft. There you go. The first material.
Oh, Sammy, why did you hang them so high?
Everything is under control, Sue. Here, let me do it. I know, I'll become a character in our game, like a zombie.
Or maybe you'd better help me create these characters.
Right.
So first, let's make blocks so that there's a place to put the rest.
And what if everything will turn out so perfectly that I will actually move to live in our village?
No way. I need you here, Sammy. But you can always play in the village for as long as you want. I promise.
It's so much fun jumping on these blocks.
You know what's even more fun? Creating something new every time from these blocks.
Oh, it sounds like too much work, Sue.
Come on, it will be fun.
I'm just a little tired slime. But I'll find what I need to regain my strength. A hat? Nice, but no. A scarf? Saving these for later. Found it. I made it when I was going on a hike last week. Blah. It's disgusting. It's totally gone bad.
I think if you keep looking, you can find the materials for our craft in your backpack.
You are good markers. You will serve us for a good purpose today. What do you think about these colors, Sue? My designer's taste tells me we need them.
Well, your designer's taste has never failed us, hasn't it?
How else could it be? I am an expert in almost everything.
Why? Almost. Are you that modest?
And now I'll prove that I'm… What? Why doesn't it work? It seems the blocks are broken.
Calm down. I got this. Hey, what's wrong?
I'll figure it out. There are a lot of things here that can help us. For example, this slime. Wow, it's really sticky. Hey, leave me alone.
Found something.
What is it?
We will certainly need these things. Great find, Sammy.
What are these? Magnets? You're lucky. I've got a whole bunch of them. Here you go. Now, I'll show you how it's done. Hey, why is it stuck to me but not to the block? Witchcraft!
That's because you are sticky, Sammy. Just use some glue.
Who could have known that? Ow!
Sorry. Now, carefully. That's it.
It's very important to arrange all the magnets in the correct order. Otherwise, the blocks will not be attracted, but repelled.
That's right. See? One side of the magnets makes them attracted to each other, like this. But if we switch sides, this happens. So first, we'll glue the magnets that attract. And then, the ones that repel.
What a hassle with these magnets, really? Oh well, now the paper won't stick? Come on!
We need something to spread the glue on the sides with.
I guess I know what to do. There's gotta be something useful in here.
Let's see. Ear swabs! Ha! That's exactly what we need. Thanks, Sammy.
That's an awesome block, Sue.
Thank you. Now, all that's left to do is arrange them.
Hey, Sue, check this out. Pure science. And as a true magnet scientist, I'm ready to answer your questions. Yes, please.
Mr. Scientist, how can we make it so that we clearly know where to glue the magnets?
That's a very good question. To do this, we just need to make special markings, like these.
Oh, sounds very convenient. Thank you.
This is so cool. That truly is Minecraft in real life. Sue, I've been thinking we're really missing something.
What is this?
Water. We have rocks, grass, but no water.
Okay, you've convinced me. Let's make a small lake.
Yay! I like small lakes.
Let's add some glue.
And a little bit of magic. Check it out! Our small lake is ready.
And here's a little sheep who will enjoy all this nature.
But she can't swim across the lake.
Then let's make a boat for her. It's small but comfortable and very useful.
Yay! Now it will be easy for me and the sheep to move around.
Sammy, it's not for you. It's for the villagers. Like this grass we're going to make now. This is a very delicate work. I hope I can do it right.
Of course you can, Sue. You're the coolest crafter of them all. Besides, I will help.
Oh, Sammy, you should be a motivational speaker.
Who said I'm not it already?
Wow, save me a spot at your next gig, would you? In the meantime, I'll keep going with the craft.
Sue, you're a genius. This is working out just great.
The sheep will have more fun among the plants.
Come on, guys. Follow me.
Also, it would be nice to have more animals to have a bigger group, right?
Oh, Sue, it's the best suggestion you've ever made.
A pig and a sheep can become great friends.
And a chicken would be a fine addition to their team.
Our animals are ready.
You know, for real fun, the residents of our village now are lacking zombies.
Sounds unconventional. I like it. Sammy, we need wooden sticks to make this guy.
Just give me a second with this popsicle. Sorry, there's nothing for you, Sue.
No problem. I have one too.
Oh, can I try? Huh, she thought she could eat it alone.
Oh, Sammy.
Here you go, Susie.
Thanks for the help, Sammy. Now, 1, 2, 3. Our zombie is ready.
Did the game already start? Where did you hide our animals? Hey! Sue, he's stealing our cookies.
I guess we need someone to protect our village.
Wow, Sue, he's so huge. Nice.
Maybe he will become friends with the little man, or not.
You know what it means? We need an arena.
The battle is inevitable.
Yeah. So, 1, 2, 3.
Dear viewers, you have the rarest opportunity to witness this. I must admit, that was fun.
Don't worry, little sheep. We are safe now. I think he doesn't want to fight anymore. He just needs friends. See? I was right. And here are some cookies for a complete reconciliation.
What about me?
Here you go, buddy. It is so good to have friends.
Especially when they have cookies.
Beautiful village we built today, huh? A little noisy, but definitely not boring. Hey guys, want to play some more? I have so many ideas.
Sammy, did you forget about our viewers?
Oopsie, thanks for being with us today, guys. Bye.
Friends, subscribe, like this video, and see you very soon. We love you.
I have some seeds at home in a basket. Maybe you could bring them here.
Sure. Spearmint, let's go rustle up some seeds.
Yeah!
Rose, we read the play, and we all love it.
And of course, for the part of the princess, I was thinking, me! Oh, but in Rose's play, the princess likes knitting, just like me. So I'm perfect for the part. But the princess is also stylish. And nobody is as stylish as me. I'm sure we can work something out. Now, how about the prince?
That's me.
Step aside, boys. There's no reason why I can't play the prince. Right, Rose?
There are 3 different types of seeds. How do you know which ones make the hot flowers?
We'll have to try them out. Here we go. Now, which one is the hot one? I can't touch them, that might hurt. Wait, I know. I'll put these corn kernels onto each flower, and if they pop, that means the flower's hot.
That's the one.
It is, but it's too small to warm up the audience for Rose's play. I think I need to grow this plant a little bit bigger. Okay, maybe not this much bigger.
And the leaf monster could have a cloud raining leaves down on him everywhere he goes. Bucky, the rain of leaves, please. Thank you.
How about if we made the leaf monster costume out of tree bark and painted on the leaves?
Rose, that is why you are in charge and we are not. Come on, Bucky. We've got some bark together.
Rose, have you decided who is going to play the princess? Yes, I thought if you both want to be on stage, one of you could play the princess and the other could be her royal advisor.
Rose, we thought about your idea where one of us plays the prince and the other one his trusted assistant. But we didn't really like it.
All right, then. We'll have 2 princes. They can be brothers. Wait, if there are going to be 2 princes, why not 2 princesses? Oh, and if the prince can have 1 brother, why not 2 brothers? Okay, just give me a little time to rewrite the play. Right, let's get started. We have a lot to do before tonight's show.
1 second, Rose. In the new play, one of the princes is the oldest. Don't you think I should be the big brother?
One of these princesses seems more fashionable than the other, which of course is the part meant for me. I can be fashionable too.
And I can be a big brother.
And I can.
Rose, I was just collecting, and I absolutely didn't say stealing, some food from Thorne's kitchen when I noticed the stage, the actors, but especially all this arguing.
I know. We'll never be ready in time for tonight's show.
Then I'm just the chipmunk you need. I have, how should I put this? Oh yes, a natural talent for supervising and giving orders.
Rose, what do you think of the new leaf monster costume? Hillary, what are you doing here?
Taking charge. We'll have that leaf monster costume in brown, if you please, Thorne. Actors, to your places.
I guess I could use a little help.
It's still growing. I must have given it too much magic. Spearmint, help me!
Let's begin by rehearsing the scene where the prince falls into the leaf monster's trap.
Rose, as your assistant, I must recommend that you start with the most important part of the play, the end. Everyone, if you will flip to the back.
Okay, well, we can start that way.
Let's go, people. All princes and princesses, step forward.
I'll just go and check on the leaf monster costume.
Rose, why don't you go and check on the leaf monster costume? I'm fine here.
Oh, I thought we decided not to use real leaves, but paint them on the bark.
Ellery told us to do it like this.
The chipmunk does have a point. It's more leafy.
I think I'll take a break.
And don't you think it's better if you all save the day in the end?
Easy now.
What happened here?
Things got a little out of control.
A little?
I know exactly what you mean. It's just like my play.
How is this part of Rose's play again?
An actor doesn't question his director. Good news, I have decided to throw out Rose's play and make up a new one. Daffodil, you're playing a grasshopper, so you'll hop. Catmoss, you're playing worms, so you'll wiggle. Lilac Thistle, you're roly-poly bugs, which means, of course, a dance.
What is he talking about?
Come on now, hop, wiggle, dance.
This is so... What are we thinking? We've got to talk to Rose. Where is Rose anyway?
Soon, everybody in the park will be asking me to put on shows. Ellery, the fabulous chipmunk director.
At least I know one thing. I'll never direct a play again. There! Rose! We can't do the play without you, and the royal couple are expecting to see a show. They're gonna be disappointed. We got a little carried away with ourselves back there.
It was your play. We shouldn't have tried to change it.
I didn't think you liked the play or me as a director one bit. We're sorry. Truly.
Please, Rose.
Well, I guess I wasn't a very firm director, or I would never have let Ellery take over. But I think I know how to get my play back from him.
There you all are. You deserted the stage before my grand finale. Now, we don't have much time.
Thank you, Ellery. I'll take it from here. We still haven't decided who will play the hardest part, which requires the most acting talent. I thought that maybe you would do it.
Me? I mean, of course, yes, I accept. Anyway, I'm done with directing. An actor I shall be.
Good. Everybody to their places. We've got work to do.
Princess Olivia, Prince Norbert, enjoy the show.
Help us, please! Rose!
Bravo! Bravo!
Thank you all. But without your help and friendship, none of this would have been possible. Thanks to you, we put on our most wonderful winter extravaganza ever.
They loved me. Today I played a flower. Tomorrow